What are ecosystem market Cupaus? Cupaus are not a new ecosystem standard. They are early stage risk reduced trading units for ecosystem credits such as biodiversity, carbon, and water conservation. Cupaus provide buyers of early stage credits with greater security for their capital. They achieve this through a cross project underwriting strategy that reduces risk and provides protection against underdelivery. Cupaus are designed to integrate seamlessly with existing carbon accreditation standards like VCS, Plan Vivo, Gold Standard, and others. Cupaus are recorded in an environmental registry where each Cupau has its own unique serial number. They are attractive to credit buyers, investors, and project developers because they generate security for ecosystem credit buyers requiring future delivery of their credits, a risk-reduced investment option for ecosystem market investors, and affordable early-stage funding for ecosystem project developers. What does Cupau provide? A global funding initiative for ecosystem credit projects. Early-stage project funding followed by staged release of implementation funding. Project due diligence, transparency, and ongoing project monitoring. Risk reduction for Cupau buyers through a cross-project underwriting framework and the retention of funds in secure accounts. In addition, a buffer reserve account will hold a percentage of extra Cupaus for added security. A genuine trading opportunity for the Cupaus as projects progress. Ecosystem market Cupaus use the services of world-leading companies in ecosystem science, environmental registry, banking, and international carbon trading. How do ecosystem market Cupaus work? A project owner needs capital to fund their project, and that capital is hard to find. The risks to capital employed in a single project are significant. Ecosystem market Cupaus reduce those risks to a level where investment in projects becomes attractive for project funders. Cupaus are issued to projects that progress through recognized ecosystem credit standards. Using the carbon market as an example, once a project reaches registration and carbon credit insurance, all Cupaus are automatically converted to carbon credits at the registry. Cupau adopts a project sponsor model. Project sponsors are national governments, conservation NGOs, and large private project developers, all of whom are involved in multiple projects. There are no geographic restrictions. Some project sponsors may have a portfolio that is spread across the globe, whereas others may adopt a more localized approach. Project owners must come under the umbrella of a project sponsor. Ecosystem credit Cupaus will be issued to each project based upon its size and credit generation estimate. Not all Cupaus will be sold. Some from each project will be retained in the Cupau Buffer Reserve account at the registry. When a project's Cupaus are sold, the funds are paid into a holding account. The project owner is entitled to draw down agreed amounts from that account as the project passes implementation milestones. These milestones are published in advance and are reported online, enabling all parties to monitor the progress of every project. All projects are scrutinized and undergo a due diligence process before they are accepted into the Cupau framework. Cupau, its ecosystem science team, and the project sponsor will be monitoring the projects to ensure that they are progressing on schedule and within their budgets. Every project owner under a project sponsor's umbrella is contractually committed to support the other projects. In the event of a project failure or under-delivery of full ecosystem credits from any of these projects, the Cupau buyer will be protected by the Cupau Buffer Reserve account. Cupaus can be purchased at any stage of the process. Cupau pricing will be different for each project sponsor and will be determined by market forces. A high-quality project sponsor with its projects progressing to the milestone schedule can expect to achieve higher Cupau prices than a project sponsor with projects that are behind schedule. Some Cupau buyers may want to hold them for the entire term because they wish to own the future ecosystem credits. Other buyers may buy early with the intention of exiting at a later stage with a profit. It's fair to say that the earlier in the process that a Cupau is bought, the lower the purchase price is likely to be. The Cupau model reduces the risk of a total loss of project capital while ensuring that worthy projects receive funding in a timely and secure manner. Cupau's provide risk reduction, capital protection, investment opportunity, and secure funding for parties wishing to benefit from their positive involvement in climate change. Act now with Cupau.